Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As promised, this is part 2 of my Dollar Tree Christmas basket ideas, and we're going to start off with our reindeer basket. So this one is probably more likely for a child. We're going to start off with the Santa shaped basket with tissue paper. We're adding in the reindeer headband as well as the super cute and very good quality reindeer stuffed animal. My kids found this super cute reindeer pop-up book, which we actually love, and even though they're 9 and 11, they really liked that book, so they insisted that it be in this basket. We're also adding in the milk chocolate reindeer candy and these super cute fuzzy socks, and that completes this basket. You can of course one-up your basket by adding the Dollar Tree shrink wrap to it. If you watched my first video, you know that I don't care for shrink wrapping it with a blow dryer or heat gun, so I'm just actually adding it on here, tying it at the top, not shrink wrapping it, adding a pretty red bow and a Dollar Tree hanging tag, and that completes this basket. You're looking at about $5 to $7. Our next basket is our baking basket. I tried to go outside of the box because I know that you guys have seen a lot of these, so I tried to make it just a little bit different. I'm taking this Believe in Santa Claus basket, adding in some tissue paper. I'm putting in a small cookie sheet and of course taking off the sticker. I'm also adding in these super cute red little baking mitts, obviously, the sugar cookie dough, which you could add in some other type of dough if you wanted to. I'm adding in the wooden spoon as well as the red. The red is brand name and the wood just gives it a little bit of a different color to give it some contrast. The peppermint Russell Stover chocolate candies, these super cute Betty Crocker measuring spoons. I'm taking these cookie cookie cutters out of the bag actually to put them in there so that it looks more full, and it also brings in some color, and that netting really wasn't a good aesthetic, so I just went ahead and took it out of there. I'm also adding in some of these peppermint sticks, which I love, and I don't know a lot of people that don't love them, and we are adding in this little baker's magnet, and that completes this package. Again, if you want to, you can one-up it by adding on the shrink wrap. I added it here. I added on one of the silver hanging name tags and then a silver and red bow. This next basket could be for a couple. I'm calling it the date night basket. So we're taking this white container and we are throwing in these dark blue shreds. I'm adding in the penne pasta, I guess I'm saying that right. Prego spaghetti sauce. I am putting in 2 champagne glasses, as well as this super cute towel and the Parmesan cheese. I did go ahead and roll this up because it didn't look good draped over the front of it because you just really couldn't see all of it. So I just went ahead and rolled it up and threw it in there. These super delicious butter cookies, and then this really nice candle. Again, if you want to one-up it, you can throw on the shrink wrap, a couple of blue bows, and a hanging name tag. Next, we're moving on to the more masculine basket. I took a black basket with the black shreds. I'm adding in this really nice black and gray scarf, this really nice black and white beanie, and then I am putting in this men's soap. It's actually in the bathroom set, and then this men's shave set. I really like the look of the red with the black. I'm putting in these Butterball turkey jerkies and some of the men's Dove lotion. I'm also putting in this #1 dad cup, or you could actually put in the whiskey cup if they're not a dad, and that would do just fine. I did think the whiskey cup made it look a little bit more expensive, so I put that in there. I put a gold bow on the jerky as well as the Godiva and the Ferrero Rocher candy. I saran wrapped this, added a tag and a gold bow, and that completes this basket. And for our last and final basket, I'm taking this gold square basket and adding in tissue paper as well as the white and hollow paper shreds. I'm adding in this purple and white. It almost feels like a suede makeup bag. They had other colors if you don't want to do purple. I'm also putting in this teenager-y looking piggy bank, and it says girls just want to have funs. I'm putting in a donut notepad as well as the donut pen and these super cute slipper socks in pastel colors. I did flip them upside down so that they look better. I'm putting in this lip gloss, and the hand creams I'll put in here in a minute, but I did take those out of their packaging. And then I'm also putting in this donut shaped little jewelry holder and this lotion. And then I put in the bath bombs, but I ended up taking them out of their bathtub because it just didn't look right. And I'm also putting in this light pink nail polish. Again, I wrapped it in the shrink wrap and I put a bow and a tag on it. That completes this video, guys, and part 1 and part 2. If you missed part 1, go back and watch it because you're going to want to see that. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.